Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
Criminal. You go to court, you indict a criminal, you take the criminal to court, you find out the cardinal point of that particular criminal, where the judge will, from that particular point, the judge will find every other thing that the criminal have committed. That will help to find a very suitable verdict of imprisonment against that criminal. You focus on it. So sometimes some people find it annoying. Ordinary people, when they go to court, they will be seeing a prosecutor focusing on one point, and you'll be angry. And that will even make you more unstable in the court. You will feel very uncomfortable because the prosecutor will always be asking you, if you want to talk, he will mention one thing and the thing will pain you because you that committed the crime, you know what you have done. So the prosecutor will do. He will talk one thing. And you, as a criminal that you are, you will be wondering, why is it that this man is always saying this? Why is why is it thought? But because the prosecutor, with his experience, after going through police protocol and interrogation, know where the cardinal point is, know where the center of attraction or center point or whatever you can call it, is. So, and he will be pitching you in that place, and you will be uncomfortable inside the courtroom until you lose focus, until you lose balance, until you cannot explain anything again. By the time they invite you to talk, you will be messing up because you know you have committed that crime, or you know that you know your involvement in such crime. So they'll throw you off balance. You begin to yap. At the end of the day, you will go out. When the verdict comes, you'll be wondering whether you are the one who actually said those things in the court. So that's what I'm doing to Barrister Ejiofor. But people will not understand why I am mentioning gentle every time. I am not here to discuss gentle, but I'm telling you that everything centers on the killing and assassination of Gentle in Barrister Ejiofor's house. That the killing of Gentle will be connecting every killings of the ESN. That particular killing of Gentle will connect the kidnapping of Onyendu. That killing of Gentle will, will connect all the atrocities, including the visitation and invasion of Biafra land by the criminal Abakaere, who is now in prison. Everything is connected. It was the Ejiofor meeting with the Southeast governor that facilitated the coming of this criminal, a criminal Abakaere, who came and started massacring our people in order to restore peace, that I don't know whether we are fighting war. It was Ejiofor's doing. If you do not know, Abakaere coming to southern Nigeria, coming to Biafra land, posing with picture and the airport every day, killing our young men in Imo State. Ejiofor was part and parcel of it. If you don't know that, know it today. Now, there is one thing I want Biafrans to know. We are going to read Ejiofor's own press statement. Like when that idiot that called himself faceless human rights lawyer was saying, threat on Ejiofor must stop. Ejiofor, without exposing Ejiofor to the extent that all of them will be running away like the criminals in DOS are running now. You see them, some of them, of course, they after what they do is they post, they delete, they post, they delete. Unstable people that are not consistent, people that are criminal, they can never stand one place. They will post something. Have you ever seen us deleting anything? We don't delete anything, except that if I tag a wrong person, which happen very rarely, if I tag a wrong person in Twitter, you know, Twitter, you cannot edit Twitter. So if I tag wrong person, for example, a few days ago, I mistakenly tagged wrong person when I was trying to tag this treacherous Ejiofor. I had to delete the post and put and edit it and post the same post again, the same thing. We don't delete. Whether whether we are wrong or we are right, we don't delete anything. It is always there. That is how to know those who are sincere. It is not those who are, when they open their mouth there, they say a different thing. They open another mouth there, they say a different thing. They post something now, they delete it in 5 minutes. They post another one, they delete it in 5 minutes. They post another one. These are the characteristics of criminals. How to name them. And today I have come again. Our own is that we will chip in small. Your eyes will open. You will begin to think deep. Today, I have come to add Femi Fani Kayode. I am adding him with question mark. I am adding FFK with question mark. Police, when police arrest you, they will say, whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. So, as we go on, our own is to bring something that is hidden for you to be the judge. So today, we are adding Femi Fani Kayode. And I will make analysis. You are going to be the judge. Maybe after few months, or maybe when I go deeper into the analysis, you can begin to make up your mind. And these people I'm talking about, Femi Fani Kayode is a lawyer. Ejiofor is a lawyer. All of them knows what I'm talking about. So we are going to add Femi Fani Kayode with a question mark on it. So I want everybody to listen as we go to this particular analysis. Ejiofor was the eye of Nigeria in IPIB. All the commanders that died, Ejiofor was part of the eyes. Ejiofor entered IPOB, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was taking him as a lawyer, and he became the eye of the Nigeria government in IPOB. He became the eye of Umahi in IPOB. Ejiofor was the eye of Nigeria in IPOB. All the commanders that died, Ejiofor was part of the eyes. Ejiofor entered IPOB, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was taking him as a lawyer, and he became the eye of the Nigeria government in IPOB. He became the eye of Umahi in IPOB. Ejiofor was the eye of Nigeria in IPOB. All the commanders that died, Ejiofor was part of the eyes. Ejiofor entered IPOB, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was taking him as a lawyer, and he became the eye of the Nigeria government in IPOB. He became the eye of Umahi in IPOB. Ejiofor was the eye of Nigeria in IPOB. All the commanders that died, Ejiofor was part of the eyes. Ejiofor entered IPOB, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was taking him as a lawyer, and he became the eye of the Nigeria government in IPOB. He became the eye of Umahi in IPOB. All right, you're welcome back. As you listen, you will find out that Buhari, I don't know who is in the profile, but let me address you. He said, my question to you all, saying that Ejiofor is a mole, and yet the zoo government have made an attempt on his life twice because of Biafra and Ipob. How can we start accusing him of sabotage? I don't understand what he's saying, but this shows that this is the Dundee we are talking about. Did Ejiofor tell you that he was attacked because he's representing IPOB. Ejiofor is accusing somebody called Ejimakor that Ejimakor is after his life. Is Ejimakor federal government? Somebody have come to the program because we have been asking, what did Ejiofor do to Ejimakor for Ejimakor to be after Ejiofor's life? And Ejiofor have not filed not even single suit against Ejimakor. He has always come to social media to brag and accuse Ejimakor of trying to assassinate him. Did you hear Ejiofor say he was being attacked because he is representing IPOB? Is Ejiofor the only lawyer that is representing IPOB and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? The answer is no. Ejiofor knows those who are after him, if anybody were actually after him. So this person that is very ignorant commenting this, go and watch our exposition, because your problem is, some of you, your problem is that you do not follow what we are doing and you jump in the middle and start talking without starting from the beginning. Go and watch, read your books so that you know your last exam. You cannot come and read the book. Just like the Ejiofor, how Ejiofor passed his law school is that they went on 10 months strike. Coming back to calling off the strike, he wrote exam. So he only passed the exam. He did not study law to know what we call critical thinking in law and critical reasoning. Law is all about critical attack. I want you people to see connection of this. But when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was not sleeping with pillow, Ejiofor did not call Femi Fani-Kayode. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was not allowed to see doctor, Ejiofor did not alert Femi Fani-Kayode to alert the world, because Femi Fani-Kayode, according to Ejiofor, have access to the world. Ejiofor decided to limit the information from spreading to the world through Femi Fani-Kayode. We have not here where Ejiofor is making press statement inviting Femi Fani-Kayode to talk. Or after the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, did anything change between Ejiofor and Femi Fani-Kayode? We want to know. We want to know. I want people to think. That is what is called critical thinking. You have to, Biafra will think deep. So I want to ask you, Biafrans, today, what went wrong between Ejiofor and Femi Fani-Kayode from 6th or 5th of June 2021 to the time Onyendu was kidnapped from Kenya in the same June? Femi Fani-Kayode was active, according to Ejiofor, calling the whole world that Ejiofor must be protected. Ejiofor, his house is this, everybody must come, CNN, America come. And from the time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was renditioned to Nigeria, Ejiofor don't know anybody called Femi Fani-Kayode. All of a sudden, Femi Fani-Kayode went silent. The same Femi who Ejiofor is thanking now, because that time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have not been renditioned to Nigeria. So, can we now ask this treacherous and criminal Ejiofor, what effort has he made? Because it is like Femi Fani-Kayode is not in Nigeria to know what is happening in a case where Ejiofor is handling Ejiofor, his friend. We even saw a picture of Ejiofor and Femi Fani-Kayode, where Ejiofor paid a visit to Femi Fani-Kayode. I want to know, this visit that Ejiofor was paying to Femi Fani-Kayode, was it as a result of the discussion between him and the people of the Southeast governor, or was it as a client and the in-law? I am asking questions, and that's why I said we are going to bring in Femi Fani-Kayode today, and we are going to put it a question mark like this. Bam. So, and I know All of you have seen a picture where Ejiofor visited Femi Fani-Kayode. They snapped pictures and they shared it on social media. My question is this: since Ejiofor know that Femi Fani-Kayode is somebody on Unerinoku, which was the reason he contacted Femi Fani-Kayode to inform the world, why has Ejiofor refused to contact Femi Fani-Kayode to inform the world on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Is it because Femi Fani-Kayode cannot do that because something has gone wrong somewhere? Because he cannot come now and start saying it. Because Otiega Kia Nansa Aboki. Omanyega Ka Nansa Aboki. Is it because of that? I am only asking question. I want you people to think. We want to ask Ejiofor, between the 6th of June 2021 to the day Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was rendition to Nigeria, what went wrong between Ejiofor and Femi Fani-Kayode that all of a sudden Femi Fani-Kayode can no longer speak for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What went wrong that all of a sudden, in all the brouhaha that is happening in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case, Femi Fani-Kayode have lost his voice? Femi Fani-Kayode.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.